In our previous videos, we showed you how quickly you can create and populate terrains using Storm. You can generate or import large worlds and have them textured and populated with Storm vegetation just in a couple of clicks. We have also seen how you can define regions to run different biomes in specific parts of the world, to design multiple areas of your world with different vegetation. With our latest update version 1.0.13, we are going one step further. We added the first set of tools that let you spawn Storm content in a semi-automatic fashion, the Storm Painter. With this toolset, you will be able to build points of interest just like shown here in this clip. The new Storm Painter tool gives you the power to spawn individual prefabs or existing Storm features in exact locations, then ingesting them into Storm. Distribute objects along lines and splines. Generate spline-based structures like fences and power lines. Interact directly with Storm layer data to define spawning or exclusion zones. Let's look at a quick example. In this scene, we want to place a building in the forest, but the vegetation is too dense. Using the new masking feature, we can easily create a clearing. We simply select a layer to mask out the trees and start painting. Once we apply the mask, Storm automatically clears the area. Now we can place our structure using the Storm Building Generator. This tool has been overhauled for one-click spawning. Just select a configuration, hold Alt to cycle through different shapes, and click to place it. Next, we can use the Storm Painter for manual detailing. With its spawning capabilities, we can quickly paint in prefabs exactly where we want them. Here we will add a few objects, bushes and rocks to the scene to make it more interesting. If we want to, we can also integrate that content into the Storm renderer instantly. Beyond manual placement, we can also paint in vegetation in lines or within shapes, perfect to build some fields to turn our shack into a farm. For boundaries, the fence building tool lets you assign post and wall prefabs. Storm then generates a fence that perfectly conforms to the terrain. You can include gates into the generation as well. To bring power to our farm, we'll use the Powerline tool. It generates dynamic cables that automatically connect to fixed points on your Powerline prefabs. The cables use physics calculations, so they hang naturally between the posts. This example shows how the new manual editing capabilities will help you with world design inside of the procedural vegetation spawned by Storm. The goal is to allow you to quickly populate entire worlds with the power of Storm, while still having full control over manual edits in a non-destructive manner. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.